Brought to you by OctaFX. This is genius. What's up guys, we are back and the stage is officially set. The Unpacked Galaxy S22 event will officially happen on February 9th. The GOAT John Prosser was right after all. This is now official. Samsung has released its second teaser trailer for the Galaxy S22 series that we will break down. We also have the official trailer for the Exynos 2200 plus more exciting stuff. Let's get right into it. Now this is pretty exciting and I really hope that this happens because right now it's not fully confirmed, something that Samsung is still deciding. Samsung could bring the bespoke edition of the Galaxy S22 series. In case you guys don't know, Samsung brought the bespoke edition of the Z Flip 3, which basically allowed people to choose their own colors, customize their Z Flip 3 by using the 49 color combinations, changing the back panel, mixing everything according to their taste, making the Z Flip 3 even more incredible. Now this could happen with the Galaxy S22 series. It's been reported that Samsung is still thinking about it. We might see this happening months down the line after the release. Just imagine that colorful, customized Galaxy S22 Ultra look. I really hope they do it and bring this to key smartphone markets. Now here are the pricing leaks regarding the Galaxy S22 series, and this is something that I called months ago. The price increase is happening. We have $899 for the S22, going all the way to $1299 for the S22 Ultra. The moment I saw the pricing of the S21 FE, it was pretty obvious that there will be a price increase with the S22 series. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Now before we dissect the official teaser trailer of the Galaxy S22 series along with some incredible high quality renders, a big thanks to OctaFX for making this video possible. Forex is a fast growing market that is still waiting for its conquerors. OctaFX is your best fitting option to start earning smoothly and grow up your skills using the market's widest educational base. With their Urdu trading webinars, demo accounts, and up-to-date analytics, you'll be fully covered during your first steps to a new industry. What's amazing with OctaFX is that they have various deposits and payout options on board, including cards and Pakistani local bank transfers. So what are you waiting for? Kickstart now, boost your Forex experience with a 100% bonus on your first deposit with the code XTC2022. The special link is mentioned down below in the description. Alrighty, now looking at the second official teaser trailer of the Galaxy S22 series, it's pretty obvious that Samsung is showcasing perhaps the biggest camera improvement, which is going to be with the night mode, aka nightography. You'll be able to take the best night mode photos on any Samsung phone ever thanks to the redesigned AI ISP, which will combine 20 photos at one point to bring you the best night mode performance. Now it's not just photos, Samsung is also bringing this to video as well. I also hope that we get to see some incredible astrophotography performance similar to the Pixel devices. Now last but not the least, we have super high quality renders of both Galaxy S22 series as well as the S22 Ultra in all colors. I have to say, looking at the S22/S22 Plus, the favorite color is definitely the white model. Looks incredible, especially the Galaxy S22. I just love the size of this phone and it's got pretty much all the upgrades you need on an incredible 2022 flagship smartphone. But of course, the star of the show will be the Ultra, bringing back that Note essence, combining everything with the S series. And if you ask which is the best color based on my preference, it's definitely going to be the green model. Along with these renders, we also got the most highest quality look at the back camera bump of the S22 Ultra in this burgundy color. Beautiful sharp look. Interestingly, compared to the Note 20 Ultra, the camera rings are not color coordinated. They still look pretty good. We've got nice side keys. The camera bump seems to have a silver outline. Again, this design could possibly be Samsung's best design ever. I've always been more of a fan of the Note squarish design form factors, so I'm really glad that Samsung has listened to their loyal fans. That's all the latest news. Let me know what you think about the pricing of the S22 series, along with the possibility that we might get the bespoke edition of the Galaxy S22 series, which is just incredible. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.